10 hidden gems in Europe for cheap international education, affordable study abroad destinations. Dreaming of studying abroad but worried about costs? Europe is a dream destination for students, but did you know there are hidden gems offering world-class education at affordable prices? Let's uncover 10 overlooked European treasures perfect for budget-conscious learners. First stop, Coimbra University in Portugal. One of Europe's oldest universities, it combines rich history with modern education. With affordable tuition and a vibrant student community, it's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Next, the Basque Country offers a unique cultural and linguistic experience. Learn Euskara, the local language, and immerse yourself in traditions, festivals, and culinary workshops. It's an affordable way to dive into a rich, distinct culture. In Krakow, Poland, Jagiellonian University stands as a beacon of academic excellence. With affordable tuition and scholarships, it's a gateway to exploring Poland's rich history and vibrant culture. Sweden's archipelago offers unique programs in sustainability and environmental science. Learn about renewable energy and conservation while enjoying the stunning natural beauty of the islands. Skip the crowds in Florence and Rome. Cities like Bologna and Siena offer affordable art workshops and courses, allowing you to hone your skills in inspiring historic settings. At CERN in Switzerland, you can dive into the world of particle physics. Affordable workshops and internships let you work alongside leading scientists and explore cutting-edge technology. The Balkans are a linguistic treasure trove. Affordable language courses in Serbia, Croatia, and Bosnia immerse you in local dialects and traditions, offering a unique cultural education. Transylvania isn't just for Dracula fans. Universities here offer affordable programs in history and archaeology, set against the backdrop of stunning landscapes and medieval castles. Ljubljana University in Slovenia is a hidden gem for innovative and affordable education. With a welcoming community and vibrant cultural scene, it's perfect for international students. Finally, Provence offers affordable cooking schools where you can master French cuisine, learn from local chefs, and immerse yourself in the region's rich culinary traditions. These 10 hidden gems in Europe prove that affordable, high-quality education is within reach. Which destination inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more study abroad tips.